So we're gonna do the how fast are you challenge, and it's just gonna be 2 teams. It's gonna be us 3 siblings versus the couple over there. And the loser, the team that finishes last or is not able to complete the challenge, they will have to do some penalties at the end. So look forward to that, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah. Well, we're still waiting. Easy. Is it okay we take a picture of your little girl? She's really cute in Hmong clothes. Is that okay? Yeah. Okay, ready, y'all? Yeah.
Nina, you're blocking.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay, what's your name? You.
What was that?
Oh my god!
Did you only watch it? Look at the mission.
I don't know. What do you want to do? I feel like I want to get the hard one first.
Okay. You look at the mission and
Ooh,
look at the vision.
so cute.
Do we take a picture?
Yeah.
Wait, I don't know. Should you?
Good job.
Let's go. Let's go find someone. With the mannequin way more. Like, you want to do that?
Yeah.
Ready? Go like this. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, the spot. Okay, let's go.
Okay, and now.
Hey,
You can't do the same one. You can't do the same one.
there's no rules. Hey, there's no rules.
We can do the same one.
Okay, she made it up. I mean,
Okay, ready?
I don't care. As long as you say you can do it, then we can.
I can't believe we're doing this.
Cheese. Thank you.
Right here, picture. Look. Mambao.
Thank you. Yeah. Wait, them?
Yeah.
Are they dancing?
Yeah. I think they were all the same.
Con ho?
Yeah. Sorry.
Okay. Over here.
Sorry, can't see anything, but we'll just wing it, okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ooh, what?
Right there.
Dude, but no, we need.
Oh, lady.
I'm shy.
Come on.
I'm shy.
Alright, I'm just gonna start like.
What? Oh my gosh, she's doing that. Shoot. We need不错了，不错，we need 不错 wait. We need 不错。
No, we just take picture with the old lady.
Okay, find anybody old. Find anybody old. I think that was. She's gonna be scared of us. Performers. Are they? I don't know. Let me ask. Yeah, are they? Hey, sorry, excuse me. Are you guys performers? Are you guys dancing? You guys competing? Is it okay if we get a picture of you guys? Josh. Okay. Ready? Thank you so much.
Thank you. You guys look gorgeous.
Thank you. Hope you guys win, okay? Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Hey, isn't that our cousin?
Oh, where? Oh.
Right there. Her?
Oh yeah, we can.
By number.
Yeah, right?
Which one? Which one are you asking?
Some hat.
Hi guys. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah, put it there.
Okay, come on, walk.
Hold on.
Wait, we're just taking pictures.
Yeah.
Make sure you show it. Okay, ready?
I'll give it there too. Oh.
What are you guys doing it for?
A video.
You guys have fun.
Bye.
Okay.
Oh, kulo ko mo lo.
Who else? What else? What else do we need? What else do we need?
Bob.
With the person. With someone that is elderly. I'm shy.
So what?
Shy with the little one, with the OG one.
Why?
I don't know. What else? Really, I think this is bomb.
Hey, we're at a disadvantage. I can't see you take.
Yeah. Be like right back. All right.
Say what?
Okay, thank you so much. You have a good day. And look for someone that look like someone we know.
I'm embarrassed.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
yeah, let's go.
No, don't only find her. Just look around.
Yeah, we'll look around.
Yeah, I think she's in the garage. She say no. It's too hard for us.
Close with the person we're grabbing close. Little but now can't drive much. Why is that thing calling me?
你快了，你还得。
Hello?
Hey Nina. Is it okay if just like either me or Tate in the picture because it's so hard. It's hard. It's hard. Us has to be in there for the game. Yeah. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Hi.
We're playing this game for maybe recorded. Is it okay for you? And Yeah. 跟係而家做出先。
哦，係是吧？
Yeah. Yeah. So.
哎，那种出去啊？这怎么吃的？
Yeah.
Wow. Dude! Dude! Ah!
I know, I'm thinking about it.
Nene, I see. See, I told you. You can't even do it when you're the one who came up with it.
They're busy. They're busy.
Yeah, the camera.
Good nè, good see you actually. Good nè, good see not actually you go. Perfect, thank you. And you're next.
Yeah.
Minong.
Thank you. And then. Thank you.
Thank you.
And then the last one. Oh, this is the time. You're doing it. It's really easy.
It's very easy.
It's just polite. Yeah, it's just polite. Can you look at the camera and say that?
Bye. All right, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, yeah. Okay, okay. 没有了就 almost. Yeah, 嗰個 OK 有冇睇到？啊，就加 OK，你洗咗，yeah，你洗碌動了咯，洗碌動了咯。OK， 1、2、3。OK， good job。
Good job.
哦，攞住就睇到俾到洗。OK， good job。
大家 做咩啊？你講哦，對。我中你帶。中夠卡。你是手槍。
Hello. I don't know anything. Can you give someone to piggyback you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Sure. Okay. Oh, are you serious?
Yeah, piggyback.
Oh. Don't fall. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Wait, do you have to?
Do you know his name? He's kind of weird to go
Okay,
in.
okay,
He
then.
doesn't know you.
He does. Oh yeah, let's go look for another one that we know the name.
So let's hope that when we go in there, we'll get to see someone.
Isn't that
the lady that looks like Nyamblia?
Yeah.
Oh no, yeah.
Wait.
Let's do it. Okay, can I get a picture with you? Yeah, sure. Come on here. Yeah. So we're doing a video where like we need to take a picture with someone that looks like someone we know, and you look just like Nyamblia. you so much.
Thank you. Here you
Thank you
go.
so much for this.
Okay, yeah, because we need to take a picture with the security guard.
Oh, no, that's fine, yeah.
Alright.
Well, I'm not a security guard.
You are a security guard.
Okay, one. It's even better.
It's the phone.
Look at this one. 1, 2, 3. Was it cousin or relative? Do you see any cousin or relative?
We have to go look. Oh, patrol, right? But that patrol, not wrong. I think let's go inside. I think she might be inside. I have to be in there too.
Yeah, be in like right here, so that way. Okay, 1, 2, 3.不知道不然的走啊走。我不行。Thank you. I got it. It's from her.
Okay.
Hi! Oh, you know what? How you doing? I do.
How you doing? Good. Yes, we found you guys. Hi. No. Hi. Huh?
Where's your sister-in-law?
Oh, the G everywhere. Bye.
Why are we?
No!
Too late.
Okay, let's go.
No.
Hey.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Hey, I'm not in there.
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm right here.
오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 옵
你太露脸色了。
You know, I just thought about it. I don't think they hear us.
那我去拿。
The video
他们就是台的。
Oh my god. We're taking a picture.
Oh, okay.
Is that okay? Is that okay? All right. Take the picture.
Yeah,
Really? Okay. Okay.
Thank you guys. Happy New Year 哦，那。
Happy New Year.
成功了了。
Wow, they're so pretty. Get the handshake.
Uh-huh. Hey, thank you.
Thank you. You guys.
Makeup.
结果摆出包包屁股。
Can I get the $9 Hmong sausage and is it chow mein? That's it.
是的 ，1, 2, 3。包。
hold on. Oh, me too? Oh, okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, no. Thank you.
Thank you.
What? What? Oh wow, can they do that?
Yeah, they can do that.
아, 이거 위해서 우와.
What else? Tà nữa, right? So far, traveling it.
Oh yes, piggyback. Go.
It's not gonna go anywhere. It's just
Hey, dude.
okay.
All right, yay!
You're getting sausage right now. Come on, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Wait.
yeah. We need money.
Yeah.
Oh, so y'all want me to say polite?
Yeah, like anything in the center.
Oh, in the center?
Yeah.
That's hard, Mom.
Yeah, say polite or anything.
Polite though.
Alright. You got it?
I go polite
Yeah.
everywhere.
Alright.
That? Whoa, Charlotte.
Yeah, it was pretty
Got
fast.
it?
Yeah. Okay.
Wait, anybody you know?
No, you do it.
What?
This is for the mission. Is it?
No, I already
Happy
used
video.
them. Can we use them again?
No. You use them for what?
Yeah, I use them for this.
그냥 하이퍼라이지는.
Polite. Oh my god.
That count. I mean, that's pretty easy.
Who else do you know?
No, not a couple.
Do they want to do it?
Oh, no, you gotta ask them.
Have someone feed us. We need someone to feed us.
I wouldn't mind.
But you already like did it anyway. Yeah. I know.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So you just need to feed him.
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, do everything.
Yeah, just feed him.
It's all up to you.
Yeah, go ahead. It's not my money.
So what do you want? You want
It's recording?
Yeah.
Anything, man. Oh man, that's too much. I'm not gonna be able to put that in my mouth. That's it.
It has to be salted, right?
No, it doesn't matter.
Oh, it doesn't matter.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for feeding our friends. Yeah, if you want.
If I see someone I'm interested in, I'll just go up and just be like, oh wait, oh right. I'll just be like, 那种要保一个部分这个卡东北来的。
Oh, that's nice. What else would you say? What else would you say?
I'll say
A very old-fashioned term.
Yeah, like very, very like
Oh, you
sushi.
got it, right?
这些 OK。
Oh, you can see, okay.
那种要保这个，这种要注意在广东人。
That's really good. That's really
Damn,
good.
you should have included that.
I know I should have included that. Do you have any? Like what's that one phrase that guys like to use a lot for girls? Like why they're so pretty? There you go!
Whoa, nice. Nice
Yeah, that's the
one.
right one. Thank you guys so
Happy
much.
New Year. See you guys around. Wow.
So this one.
Aww.
Alright, now, hey, no.
Hi.
I'm not gonna do it, bro.
What?
You need to do it with me, please. You need to do it with them.
No.
Okay? I cannot dance. Okay, do something else to me then. Do something else to me.
These.
Okay, go for it. Go. Thank you.
Yes, got it.
Hey, I got something. I can't read it. There you go. When are you guys dancing? Oh, well, I'm gonna go find the song. Okay, sorry. Thank you so much. Okay?
Happy New Year. Aw.
Happy New Year.
Oh, make sure you
I don't want to do the penalty.
Nee, go.
Can you come out here real quick? Yeah. Yay.
Wait, what do you guys need?
We're gonna change.
Wait, for what?
Dance with us.
I'm okay.
No, you need to dance with us.
Wait, for what though?
For a
You're gonna
video.
do something for
Nah,
us, and
I'm
we're gonna
okay.
do something for you.
오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일
Yeah, time. Yeah. Thank you. Hmong.
Huh? No, go ahead, say it. It's okay. Happy New Year. Can you say that in Hmong?
Don't make
You want to say it?
Okay, what does that sign say? The one, the entrance, what does that say? Oh no.
What's the next line?
I don't know. Really? You don't know the song?
Okay. Can you say something to us in Hmong?
Nhớ trong sợ đời của mấy mưa trào ba. Của nhà nó. Món đây nổi tiếng. Teacher.
And Tony, in New Yearly, now, what do you like to say to people? What's the one phrase you like to say?
The very one phrase.
Happy New Year.
In Hmong?
How do you say that in Hmong?
Shut up. How do you say Happy New Year, Susie?
I forgot.
So, có hai chỗ có phổ tí này, có hai nữa. How do you say? What do you say?
I say hi. I say nhớ dâu.
Okay?
Nhớ dâu sợ đời.
Okay, so if it's Happy New Year, it is. Maybe your boyfriend might know. Does your boyfriend
Oh
know?
no. He knows half what I know. Try. Oh, try. Okay, say Happy New Year in Hmong.
Oh, cái tờ áo xà.
Nhớ dùng chung chia.
Yeah, got it.
Finally.
So yun ý tư này ý tư còn quá phải á, ý cái sản phẩm một về cái nông nghiệp. Thank you. Oh yeah, very close, very close.
Rephrase it, rephrase it.
Okay, cái sợ bó thì mình mua đó chị đó.
Five word.
Lấy nhiều có mùa đó chị đó. Oh, we want you to say this one phrase, but it's very close to that. Two words. To that boy, to that young guy. I don't know. Mu khó tư có hôn nữ giả. Mu khó tư. Từ hứa thì she got another one. Mu khó tư. Lấy nữ. So we've been going around doing that, and then she moved the boy.
That was so hard. It is so hard. Thank you guys. This is so freaking embarrassing.
Yeah.
I can't see you though,
Oh,
Jake.
oh.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. So much, we're done.
Okay, we're finally done.
Hopefully we're not the loser.
So we are the loser.
I'm confident. It's 2.
Two?
One.
No, it's 2.
Wait, we all choose one?
All right.
2 is dance.
Dance? 1 minute.
I don't know. I forgot. In the center of the ball.
Okay, I'll
So
I'm not gonna dance.
see.
Shoot.
Yeah, like-
Okay. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Hope you like it.
It was fun.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Cheers.
Cheers.